Good evening, members. It's 5 o'clock, so we'll begin the licensing committee. First, members, are there any declarations of interest?
No.
Councillor Bradwick.
Yes, thank you, Chair. Agenda item number 4 on page 21, as the person in the report is named, that's known to me very well. Thank you, Chair. It's
Thank you, Councillor Bradwick.
personal interest, Chair.
No other members have indicated they have any declarations of interest. Are members content to move the Human Rights Act?
Move.
Thanks, members. The third item, to approve as a correct record the minutes of the licensing committee held on the 8th of July 2025. Are members content that they are an accurate reflection of that meeting?
I'll move that, Chair.
Thank you, members. Item 4, to consider the licenses issued under the provision of delegated powers. Rhian, you taking this item 4?
Yes, Chair, thank you. This is the licenses and registrations issued under the provision of delegated powers for the period 23rd of June through to the 24th of August 2025 for members' information and subject to any questions. Thank you, Chair.
Members, are there any questions on item 4?
No.
No. We move on to item 5, to consider passing the following resolution. Are members happy that we adopt that resolution?
Move, Chair.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, members.